Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7632. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, you have cloth interior. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back as well as a rear backup camera. Chevy bedliner does keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.